In a bustling pet store, a parrot named Coco watches customers with keen interest. A shy customer approaches holding a bag of birdseed. Coco squawks, "Need help finding love, sweetheart? Try being more colorful." The customer chuckles, but Coco isn't done. Next, a confident guy walks in. Coco yells, "Hey Romeo, try talking less and squawking more." The guy glares. A couple enters and Coco shouts, "You two should teach a class on love, or at least on how to feed me." The couple laughs, and the man responds, "Thanks for the advice, Coco." As they leave, Coco adds, "Just remember, love is like a cracker, hard to crack but worth it." Everyone bursts into laughter, including the parrot, who seems quite proud of himself.